How to add profile picture on Signal private messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of how to guide. If you're trying to add in a profile picture or change your profile picture on Signal private messenger, then let me show you how you can do it. Now before I move on to the video, if you are new here, consider subscribing and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos. With that said, let's get right in. Open up your Signal app and then tap on your profile icon or your profile picture on the top left. From here, what you need to do is again tap on your name, and inside of your profile you'll see a couple of options. All you need to do is tap on edit photo. Now once you tap on it, you can now change your photo from these existing pictures, or you can also add in a photo and select it from your gallery. So to do that, tap on photo and you can select any picture from your gallery. Once you select the picture, you can adjust a few settings, such as you can flip it, and after that is done, tap on the arrow on the bottom right, or you can also add in doodles or add in text. Once that is done, tap on the arrow on the bottom right, and there you go, the profile picture will be immediately set. Once you are happy with the profile picture, tap on save and your profile picture will be immediately added or changed. Now other people who are friends on Signal app will be able to see the profile picture that you've added in. So that's the exact process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.